Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we are going to solve cube root of 21952. So let's learn. So first I start by dividing the smallest prime, that is 2. So when we divide it by 2, we get 10976. Now 10976, again an even number. So when we divide it by 2, we get 5488. Now 5488 divided by 2 gives 2744. 2744 divided by 2 gives 1372. 1372 divided by 2 gives 686. 686 divided by 2 gives 343. Now 343 is no longer divisible by 2. Now check with 7. 343 divided by 7 gives 49. 49 divided by 7 gives 7, and 7 divided by 7 gives 1. So prime factorization of 21952 is 2 power 6 times 7 power 3. Now we have to find the cube roots. I am taking cube root on both sides. Now according to exponent rule and power a, we can write it as a power 1 by n. So our right hand side becomes 2 power 6 by 3 times 7 power 3 by 3. So this gave us 2 power 3 times 7. 2 power 3 is, sorry, here is 2 power 2, 6 divided by 3. 2 power 2 is 4, and 4 times 7 is 28. So cube root of 21952 is 28. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.